Hey, what's up you guys? I hope you're doing okay. Today I'm going to show you how to make a leftover turkey sandwich with stuff from Thanksgiving. Maybe too much gravy, but it's okay. Go with it. First, we are going to start off with a Hawaiian roll. You can also use regular bread that is cut in half. To one side, we are going to add some jelly cranberry sauce. You can also use whole berry cranberry sauce. My homemade whole berry cranberry sauce unfortunately ran out before I filmed this, so that's fine. To the other side, we are actually going to add some mayonnaise. You can actually substitute that with more cranberry sauce if you don't want mayonnaise. Then to the cranberry sauce side, we are going to add a slice of turkey breast and some American stuffing. Then we are going to add a little bit of mac and cheese. I forgot the name of that, but we figured it out. It's okay. And then on top of the mac and cheese, we're going to add one yam, or however many you want. And then to the other side with the mayo, I'm going to put on some Crucian stuffing. It looks great so far. Let's smush it so it's not a gigantic sandwich. It's easier to inhale, one would say. There we go, it's all smushed. This is what it looks like. It's stupid easy, delicious. Since I'm vegetarian this year, I will not be eating this, but my brother ate it and he said, dude, this was amazing, thank you, because it was. If you want, you can also top it off with some gravy. I put maybe a little bit too much on top, but hey, it's leftovers, you're trying to get rid of everything. This is how you do it. Just pile on as much gravy as you want, and it will be great, trust me. It infuses everything, it warms everything up even though everything was already warm. It's great, I love it, and this is how my family has been making it forever, since I was born. So definitely try it out if you haven't already, because you know you have the leftovers in your fridge. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!